In this video, we'll learn about error detection using cyclic redundancy check or CRC in data frames. Everyday computer sends millions of messages, whether it's a file, an email, or a video, all made up of a small units called bits, zeros and ones. But sometimes due to electrical noises, interference, or weak signals, these bits can flip. A single one turning into a zero might sound small, but for a computer, it can completely change the meaning of the data. To protect against this, communication systems use error detection techniques that identify when data is corrupted. One of the most accurate and widely used techniques is CRC, cyclic redundancy check. Before we dive into how CRC works, let's understand why error detection is so important. When data travels from sender to receiver, it passes through many devices, cables, and wireless signals. Along the way, noise or voltage spikes can change the bits being transmitted. Without error detection, the receiver would have no idea that the message was altered. So every data frame is sent with some extra bits that help the receiver verify if the data is still correct. These extra bits acts like a security seal. If the seal is broken, the receiver knows something went wrong. Suppose the sender wants to transmit the data bits 11010. The generated polynomial is used is 1011. First, the sender appends three zeros to the end of the data because the generator polynomial has 4 bits and we always had n minus 1 zeros. Next, the sender divides the extended data by the generator using a method called mod 2 division. Unlike normal division, mod 2 uses the XOR operation instead of subtraction. Wherever the most significant bit is 1, we perform XOR operation with the divisor. After dividing completely, the remainder obtained is 010. This reminder is the CRC code. The sender now attaches the reminder to the original data, forming the final transmitted frame. This frame is sent across the network to the receiver. Now, on the receiver side, the exact same process is performed. The receiver takes the incoming frame, that's the original data plus the CRC reminder, and divides it again by the same generator polynomial. If there was no corruption during transmission, the result of division will have a reminder of 000. This means the frame is error free and the data can be accepted. But any bit got flipped by traveling due to noise or interference, the reminder will not be 0. This immediately tells the receiver that an error has occurred and the frame should be discarded or retransmitted. Let's visualize this with two cases. In the first case, imagine data traveling from the sender to the receiver perfectly. No noise, no interference. The receiver performs division and the reminder becomes 0. The frame is accepted. In the second case, imagine one bit flips in the middle of the journey. Maybe a 1 becomes a 0. The receiver now performs the same division, but the reminder turns out to be non zero. For example, 011. The receiver instantly knows something went wrong. The data is rejected and a retransmission is requested. This is how CRC detects even a single bit or a burst bit error effectively. Now that we understand how CRC works, let's see where it is used. CRC is used in almost every modern communication system. In Ethernet frames, it's known as the frame check sequence. In Wi-Fi packet, it ensures integrity before acknowledging data. In storage devices like hard drives and USBs, CRC checks the files aren't corrupted. CRC is fast, reliable, and efficient, which is why it's built into hardware and networking protocols worldwide. To summarize everything, CRC, cyclic redundancy check, is an error detection method that helps ensure reliable data transmission. It works by dividing data bits using generator polynomial and appending the reminder to the frame. When the receiver gets the frame, it performs the same division. If the reminder is 0, the data is correct. If not, an error is detected. CRC doesn't fix the error, but it helps detect it immediately. So, data can be retransmitted correctly. From tiny USB files to massive internet data transfers, CRC silently protects every bit of your information. Thank you for watching.